Hello everyone, I'm looking at string compression. The long and the short of it is you're going to take this string of characters and we're going to count the number of occurrences for each character, and we'll store one copy and then the number of occurrences, and then we will return the length of the string. So we'll turn this into a string and return its length, which should be 6. If a character appears once, don't put a number. Okay. So we can turn this into this by turning this into a hash map and then flattening it. So we will go into that in a second. So first off, though, is making an empty hash map and then populating it. So for each element, we are going to either my hash map element equals either my hash map element, either it exists or it's initialized to 0, and then we add 1 to it. So it'll end up being 1, or if we've seen it before, it'll become incremented. So now we have that populated. So what do we got? We got something that should look like this. My hash map equals curly's A2, B2, C3. Now, if we use dot flat, so we're gonna have result equal, it's gonna be an array, so we're gonna have an array that's object.entries my hash map. So this turns into this, turns into this, a multi-dimensional array. So you got A, little tuples, if you can call them that, and then C3. Now, if you call dot flat, feel like I'm playing like D&D or something. I just played my trap card. You fell into my trap. I'm gonna, my ability, I don't know. I don't play D&D, but I do hang out with people who do that sometimes. So if you do dot flat, results in A, comma 2, B, comma 2, and C, comma 3, and then you can call dot join on, it takes a delimiter or a limiter. You know, if you do dot join like that, I think you guys should know this by now, how dot join works. But that'll turn it into A2, B2, C3, at which point we can return result.length. Okay, it's time to investigate. What happened? um, so look, it returns 6. It returns 6. So this is what I don't understand, is how come this is telling me that the output is this, but then when I do it in VS Code, the output is 6. Now, I just don't understand. Do they not want, they want this as the output? They want this. So that's this. So if I don't do the join, what changes? Length is still 6. So if I don't do the join, does that change anything? I don't understand these people. See, why doesn't it work? A, B, B, C, C. Over here, it's clearly working. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 characters. This is supposed to be 6. I don't freaking understand. I feel like I'm on crazy pills. Alright guys, that's enough for me.